How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to transfer money from your American Express credit card account into your bank account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite a simple process, and in fact, this action can be done without a guide. But nevertheless, here's what you guys need to do. So there are actually two ways to do so. So either you can log into your American Express account online, like I am. So if you guys are on desktop, you basically just want to go to the website, like so. And you would want to click on the Transfers tab. Now, I should mention that the steps shown here for the online version should also apply to the phone. Only with the phone, instead of going to the website, you would need to download the American Express app. But anyway, the steps should remain the same. So, like I said, click on the Transfers tab, and there should be an option there that says Transfer to Bank Account. Now here, you get to enter or rather input the money or the amount of money that you want to transfer to your bank account. So you'll provide the app with the money that you want to transfer, as well as the routing number and the account number of your bank. And that's all it really needs, and it usually takes 3 to 5 business days for the money to come through. Now, assuming that you guys have linked up your bank account with your American Express account, you guys should be good to go. All you have to do is double check the details, make sure that everything is correct, and click on submit. And that'll be it. And to show you guys what I mean, there's a little GIF illustration here showing how it works. So here's the app on phone. You could either send it directly using the American Express app, or using a mediary app like or a mediary platform like PayPal or Venmo, or even Afterpay. So simply send money, and that should be it. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support for that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.